for me? Hey, everybody. Hey. We're coming on here live, folks. Great things are happening. Hey. That's the way it is. When it's live, it's live. You know I'm a real person, okay? When you're live, you're live, you're live, you're live. Yes, you are. Oh, I am so pumped and so excited. I am so pumped and so excited. Hey, I think my pizza man is here. Hold on, y'all. Hold on for a second. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You want to come inside? Come inside for a second?
Sure. How you been doing?
I'm doing fine.
Good.
I'm doing a video. Come here for a second.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. Folks, right here, you can bend on down.
Oh,
there you go. Right here. This is the best pizza place right here.
Well, thank
Pizza
you.
Oven is the best pizza in the world.
Well, thank you.
All right. All right, man.
You have a great night, buddy.
You have a great night as well.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. Here's your receipt. You guys have a great night, okay?
Thanks, son. You have a blessed night.
You too. Thank you. See you next time.
All right. Yeah, let me see that. Folks, there it is right there. Woo-hoo, there it is right there. And guess what? I didn't have to pay for it. And I've never tried this particular specialty pizza. It has olive oil and all kind of herbs. And then, looks so good. So good. Tomatoes. There we go there.
So it's just olive oil, tomatoes, and cheese?
Yeah, is it?
Let me taste it.
My wife ready to dig in, y'all. Ooh, look at that cheese. Good God.
God. This just came out of the oven. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So if you don't mind, while you're watching, if I'm eating, if you don't mind that, I really appreciate it. But folks, let me tell you something. We got some. Oh, it is hot. Oh, we got something for you here, folks. That is absolutely powerful. That is absolutely powerful. Now, I don't have no shame, folks. It's Sunday, right? Can we be real on a Sunday? Can I bite my piece of pizza for you? I mean, not for you, but I'm biting it for me. You're gonna see it though. But hold on, I haven't tasted this before. Mm. 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 Yes. Mm. That pizza tastes better when it's free. This tastes better when it's free. And you can start getting whatever you want free. Mm. Mm. Whatever you want. Mm. You can start getting it free. I'm going to show you some proof today. What I'm talking about here. On the bottom of the screen there, you see Easy Money Postcard. Folks, we got a postcard that's out of this world. I'm going to show you here. Can I take another bite? Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Woo! Mm. It's olive oil. Mm. So now, woo! Delicious. I know somebody be asking. I'm real, folks. I'm real. My God, that's good. Mm, mm, mm. That's good. I want to share something with you folks, just for a couple of minutes. Just for a couple of minutes. Exciting things are happening over here. And I want to show you this powerful postcard that's producing sales without you having to talk to anybody. No selling, no telling, no explaining. You will have your own unique ID number that will be attached to you so that the admin of the company is doing all the selling and telling for you. Let me show you. Let me share my screen here and show you this powerful, powerful postcard. Give me 1 second here. Okay, share screen. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And bam, there we go. We have this postcard right here, folks. The easiest money you will ever get. Folks, come on now. How would you like to receive $500 payments? How would you like to receive $1,500 payments? How would you like to receive $1,500 payments coming to you? And you're not doing anything. All you are doing is mailing this powerful postcard right here. All you're doing is mailing this powerful postcard right here. The Easy Money System postcard. This postcard is hot. It is on fire. And it can make you so much money that you'll never be broke again. That you'll never be broke again. My wife, Cass, and I, folks, we were down and out. I mean, down and out to the point where we were homeless. Homeless. Living out of the Super 8 hotel. Homeless. Living out of the Super 8 hotel with our kids. And folks, we took a step of faith. I'm just talking to you, okay? I'm a real person. We took a step of faith and got involved with direct mail. And direct mail has set us free financially. We don't have jobs. My wife don't have a job. I don't have no job. You know why? because we mailed this postcard right here. I know my green screen in the background. There we go. We mailed this postcard right here. We mailed this postcard right here. And we're still mailing it. And we've never talked to anyone. If you don't want to. Now, some weird social media people, we have our phone numbers out there. And I like having my phone number out there because I like people to call me. And so we do have people call us because that's just something that I like. But you don't have to call no one. Your information is nowhere on this postcard. It's nowhere on this postcard. Here it is right there. And you can get free postcards. You can get free postcards. You know what? You can get free postcards. Let's see where we at here. Hold on for a second, y'all. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, let's go back here. All righty. There we go. There. But yes, you can get free postcards. And you're like saying, well, how can I do this? Well, I'm going to show you how you can do this and get free postcards as well. I'm going to show you how you can do this and get free postcards as well. Let me show you, but let's examine this little postcard. This little postcard is so simple, folks. Let's not overcomplicate things. Because that's what people should do sometimes, but overcomplicate things. Can I grab some water? Is that okay if I grab some water? Thank you. Is that okay? Nice one, good spring water. Spring water. Nothing like it. All right, let's check out this postcard. Let's blow this up. Let's get me out the way. Because this postcard is about you. It's about you. Okay? This postcard is about you. Easy moneyest money you will ever get. If we could honestly show you a proven way to generate an extra $500 to $7,500 or more daily with no explaining, no convincing, no selling, no sending out emails, ever, would it be worth 15 minutes of your time to learn more. No previous experience needed. Just mail this postcard. The call explains the entire system. All you gotta do is call this number. Take 15 minutes of your time. 15 minutes of your time. Good God Almighty. 15 minutes of the time and call this number. I'm going to give it to you right here on the screen. You can call this number and you can start receiving money. Oh my God, you can start receiving money almost immediately. I say within 15 to 21 days after you start mailing these powerful postcards, you're going to start receiving income coming in. It might be $500 because we got different levels here. It might be $500, $1,500. Matter of fact, I got a $500 sale today, y'all. I got a $500 sale today on a Sunday. On a Sunday. Not talking to anyone. Folks, this thing is hot and juicy. This thing is hot and juicy. All you got to do is mail this powerful postcard. All you got to do is mail this powerful postcard and never, I said never, be broke again. Never be broke again. How many of you want to be at that point where you're never broke? Where you're never broke? Where you always have money coming in? This postcard can do that for you. This postcard can do that for you. All you got to do is call a phone number. All you got to do is call a phone number. A phone number has the ability to set you free financially. You see that phone number at the bottom of the postcard? You call that number. Call it right now. Call it right now. Call me up. Call me up. Tell me what you want. Call me up. Call me up. Tell me what you want. Call me up. Call me up. Tell me what you want. We got easy money for you. And here's the number right here, folks. I'm just happy and excited. And I just wanted to get up here and just show you that I'm a real person. And I can help you. I can help you. Let me stop this right here. I can help you. Folks, I have helped so many people. Okay? I have helped so many people break free financially. I've helped so many people break free financially just from simply mailing a postcard. That's it. Just from simply mailing a postcard. And there is no reason why you can't mail just 10 postcards. That's what I teach. For people starting on the team, just mail 10 a day. I mean, if you can mail more, that's awesome. People always ask me, well, how many postcards should I mail? I said, mail 10 a day. Mail 10 a day. And like I said, we got 5 levels here. I had a person join the $500 level today. I had a person join the $500 level today. Let me see if I can get into this is my Cash App. I want to be transparent. I want to be transparent. Okay, let me show you here a proof that this system is working. See that there? $400. It was a $500 level. It's an 80-20 split. $400 right there, folks. $400 right there. Got it and ordered this piece. Free money coming to you. And all you do is mail these yellow postcards. All you do is mail these yellow postcards. Come on, folks, you can do that. Mail these yellow postcards. The Easy Money postcard system. $500 level. You just saw the proof there. $500 level. Okay? The $1,500 level. We got a free upgrade going on right now where you can get 1,000 free postcards. I said what? Yeah, I said we can hook you up with 1,000 free postcards when you join at the $1,500 level. We will upgrade you for free to the $3,500 level. Upgrade you for free. And you get 1,000 leads and 1,000 postcards. Now, folks, that's powerful right there. That's powerful right there. You come in at the 1,500, you upgraded to the 3,500. Guess what? Now you're qualified at that 500. You know, you can go to your Cash App, and there'd be five. You know, the money is taken out. There'd be like $400 if you had the $500 level, 80-20 split. And I don't mind that. You know why? Because the admin is doing everything. I am totally hands off. I am totally hands off. All I do, folks, is mail the yellow postcard. I can't get it. Oh, yeah. All I can do, I've been doing this for 10 years. I can help you. Why don't you right now call that number, 800-210-5289, reference ID number 103, and get started and never be broke again. You see, we got started with this when we were homeless. See, I'm being real. Like, we got started, we were homeless when I was a little more healthier than what I am right now. And we just ran with it. We just ran with it. And over the years, things have happened. Life has happened. I've had several health issues like many of you have maybe experienced. Had to be in this wheelchair right here. But you know what? Everything's all good. Everything's all good. Everything is well. Y'all hear that? Y'all know that song? It is well with my soul. It is well. It is well with my soul. But the person who wrote that song lost his whole family. And that's why he said, it's still well with my soul. So we got involved in this program right here, folks. And guess what? Things started happening. Money started coming in. We're like, oh my gosh, what in the world? Money was coming in. Now, at that time, we didn't do Cash App. That time, it was just sent to us priority mail. But if you have Cash App, the admin can send you your money straight through Cash App, and bam, you got it immediately. But if you don't, the company sends out all your money via priority mail. Folks, we got so much money coming in from this postcard. that a magazine did an interview with us. What? Yes, a magazine did a interview because they saw how successful we were, how much success that we were having from this postcard. So you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to share my screen here again, and I want to show you this article. And you know, if you want it, you could even call me. You can call me to get a copy of this article. It's powerful, and I'm just showing you proof here how this is working. How this is working. Here we go, right here. How a homeless family of 7 took a leap of faith and started making thousands a week with the easiest money postcard system. Okay? That was in a magazine. Here we are right here. See, I pull up my gotta show you my pretty wife. Here we are right here. Okay? Folks, this is powerful. This is powerful. And if we can do this from being homeless, my God, what can you do? What can you do? Simple, easy, just mail a postcard. That's it. Just mail a postcard. So I'm going to do here, because this is so simple, just go ahead and call the 800 number, 800-210-5289, ID number 103. And let's get you started. Let's get you rocking and rolling. Let's get those money payments coming to you with you doing nothing. All you're doing is mailing a postcard. The easiest money system is absolutely powerful. I'm waiting on you. Go ahead and call that number. And I'm waiting on you. And let's get you started. I'm waiting on you. I want to help you to stop the struggling. I want to help you to have financial freedom. I want to help you succeed. I can help you. Where others have failed you, I can help you. There's my story right there. How a homeless family of 7 took a leap of faith. Hey, and started making thousands a week. Let me help you make thousands a week. Let me help you make thousands a week. I'm going to stop that. Let me help you make thousands a week. I just had to come and shoot this video for you, showing that proof, showing the article in the magazine. This works, folks. And I can help you. And you're never talking to no one. You're never doing no emails. You never answering questions. All you do is sit back and enjoy life and put your postcards in the mail. It's easy. Let me help you. Call 800-210-5289. Reference ID number 103, and let's get you on the team. Let's get you on the team. Aren't you tired of being broke? Well, guess what? You can get started today and never be broke again. That's a powerful statement. Get started today and never be broke again. God bless you.